Welcome to this new practical session of Information Communication Technology for Advanced Level Practical Workbook of the 2021st edition. Okay, without wasting time, we are going to look at the content of this practical manual. For the content, we have the computer system, we have presentation, we have spreadsheet, we have database, we have programming, and we have web authoring. Okay, without wasting us time, because we know we have so much to do, but if you don't know anything concerning practical, don't bother about it. We're going to detailedly see what we have to see in this practical manual. Okay, we have two sessions. We have the first session concerning the software, and the second session concerning the hardware, because what characterizes the computer system is the hardware and the software which make the functionality of the computers for the users. Okay, for the software we have questions to be filled in the practical book, which is not necessary of a programming part or a technical aspect, but to guidelines for the filling of this part, that is what concerns the software and the hardware part. You can see we have the device driver, the language translator, and the utility software. Then, as we said, for the second part, we have the application software, where we are required to give the name, the uses, and we have the grading part, which concern your practical coordinator. Then, as we said, for the second part of it, we have the hardware, where we are asked to identify the main components of a computer, and to give the description. Here we have the mouse, the keyboard, the monitor, the system unit, and lastly we have the detailed study of the system unit. All of this information may be different with our different computers from the first page, so I'm going to give you a command that will help you to get information to fill this first particular site. So what you do first is you press the Windows button and R to bring out the executor, but you may have some difficulties to read what is in my computer because it is in French, but the commands are the same. So you press Windows R, you have the executor, then you type the command ms info 32, that is Microsoft information of 32, but this bit is mostly in 32-bit. But if you type this phone command, he will actually generate the information required for this practical on the computer system. Okay, as we can see, as I said, we're going to have some difficulties because my computer is in French, but it's not as bad as that. What do we have? We have system information. As you can see, the name of the system, the version, the computer, and all this information will be different in every computer that you are going to use. Now, this accessory or other information will help you to fill the other part concerning the hardware, that is the keyboard, the mouse, and the rest. If you click there, you will see you have additional informations there. Then you also have the parts that concern the software, that is here. You can actually get all information which concern this first part of the practical on the computer system. And in addition to the difficulties that you may face, for example, if when I look at this, you may face some difficulties, for example, in getting the physical description and the function of maybe the RAM chip, the NIC, the sound card. You can also access to your internet and get the information about it. I think this first part was a general knowledge concerning the computer system, of which you can make your general research and give information associated to the computer. You may find some information that is not found in the MS-Info32. You can get in touch with the information that is being written on the computer, like in the mouse, the keyboard, to fill the different information. So we thank you for the assistance, and we continue for the next practical. Thank you.